Today is the day. 4Runner, part 2. Well, it's Saturday, leaving the house around 11:15. Gonna go start on the head gasket on the 4Runner, see where we get today. Hopefully off and machined and maybe put back on today. We'll see how it goes. So, wish me luck. All right, it's about noon. Think I'm ready to get fired in on this thing. My handy dandy light here. Well, to be honest, I haven't got shit done, but the battery out. And I'm already starving to death and like 10 minutes into the project. So, break time, order lunch, restart after, I guess. So I started tearing into it a little bit more while I'm waiting on lunch to get delivered up here. I pulled off the exhaust manifold. Whew. Number 2 is quite wet, as I suspected from whenever pulling that spark plug, and I literally saw coolant in the cylinder, so more confirmation. Don't really need it at this point because it's already happening, but yep. Another thing is coolant looks surprisingly nice, but whenever I pulled the radiator cap, I actually had to run it this morning because it was sitting on that lift back there. I wanted it right next to my toolbox. I fired it up, moved it forward, popped the radiator cap, and it was like insane pressure, but like no coolant in there. So, yep. No crazy progress, but radiator's out, exhaust manifold's off. Still got a bunch to do. Time to eat lunch though. All right, back from lunch. Trying to power through and get some progress on this today, but I don't know. I might have to call it here in a minute. Feel pretty rough. Been sick all week and was feeling pretty good yesterday. Thought I'd try and get up here by myself today and just power through and get this thing knocked out, since it's hard to make time to work on some stuff aside from work and family stuff. Pretty busy person, but yep, feel like shit. So we'll keep trying right now and see where it gets. So got it at TDC. Can pull the cap off and look at the rotor button, and this is right where number 1 is. So also can obviously pull plug and check in there, but got to still make sure it's on top dead, either which way. Got the power steering pump off, zip tied out of the way. Got the fan off, upper intake manifold off. Working on getting the harness out. What in the hell is that? That does not look OEM, huh? Well, I had to pull the fuel rail to get better access to that silly long Allen. It's the last bolt holding this whole intake manifold on, but it is not happy. So, gonna try and put a pair of vice grips on it at the same time as trying not to round out the Allen. We'll see. Oh, that was a task. Next step, head removal. Well, tripod here fell off my table. Fuck. Well, pretty sure I found some more good news. Think the cam is wiped out. Oh yeah. Ugh. What else can we find? Number 4 is wiped out pretty much. Up, number 1 too. So this thing's seen some shit. There we go. Now, need to keep the cam sprocket held up. Somehow get the head out by myself. I don't have a good answer to that yet. 2x4s. It's gonna be back breaking. Fucking lean it over like this. Got it up that high. Now I need it twice as high. Bungee cord. Now that I got it up this high, I can get this prepped to just pull the cam sprocket to the side here. I guess I'd rather use this side. So whenever I snip that, I can tie this up right quick, not let it fall down. There's that. Oh man. Oh. Boom. There we go. I didn't think about a place to put it. Well, here's the little gasket. Kind of hard to tell on here, but pretty sure it's going right there. I think the head is actually cracked or something right there. I'll have to look further into it. Oh. All right. Now that my hands are completely disgusting. Let's check out the findings. Ugh. Look how clean that piston is. That thing's been burning some coolant for sure. Block looks fine. The head does not. There is, the cam is completely worn out. It's hard to tell on the other ones. This one's obvious. Then, if we flip it over, I think that is why. Let me see if I can find the good spot. There. Yeah. That would be why we were burning so much coolant. So, head's pretty messed up. It's probably just time to get a reman head. Well, I was talking earlier about how I felt like shit and I probably wasn't going to get this done, but at least got it disassembled. Got to find a head now, so I think this is where I'm going to land for the evening. It's New Year's Eve, and it is, what time? 4:40. So, with that being said, don't think I'm going to be able to go buy a head. I'll source one and I guess reconvene on this project. So I still have some stuff I could do. I'm gonna clean up a mess, tools and fluid on the ground and all that. Clean all that up and then debate on maybe prepping it further for the head and doing the water pump, etc. So, all right, get back to it. Well, thought I was leaving like 2 hours ago, decided to clean everything, didn't get any videos, didn't really feel like that was necessary. Pretty annoying and dirty process. Everything was disgusting, so. But that's a wrap for today. We'll get a new head and then hopefully get this thing going.